asks what is the conditional probability of exercise for people who sleep late. The first step is to calculate the totals for each row and column. I'm doing so now as a sum of the probabilities. Okay, now these probabilities add up to 1 and they are consistent. Let's put them in the center so it's easier to read them. Now what it says that probability of sleeping early is 80%. 80% of patients sleep early. It says that 65% of patients exercise. So what is the conditional probability of exercise for people who sleep late? The concept is easily understood as if we think of it as a reduction in the universe of space of possibilities. What we are saying that the only thing that we are concerned is the fact that everybody has slept late now. So we are only concerned with this row of data. The rest of the data is irrelevant because those are people who didn't sleep late. And we need to calculate the conditional probability of sleep in this context. One way of doing so, another way of making this simpler to think about, is to multiply everything by 100 and treat this as count of people. To do so, I'm going to copy this down so you can see what it looks like if we just think of this as multiplication of the probability by 100. So this way we can think of it as a certain number of people, not as probabilities. So now we see that we have 100 people, 60 of them slept early and exercised in the morning. 15 of them slept late and did not exercise in the morning. Now we want to go with the conditional probability. We are focused on these 20 people. These 20 people is what we care about. Let me highlight this area. So these are the people that we want to see what percentage of these people actually exercise. Of these 20 people, it's very obvious that 5 out of the 20 exercised. And that's the answer. So the answer is 25% or 1/4 of the people exercised, given that they slept late. You can imagine always reduce the sample space to the cases that the condition is set. In this case, the condition is sleeping late, and we are reducing the sample space from 100 to the 20 people who slept late. And then after that, you just have to look at the percentage of people who exercise, and that will give you the conditional probability.